Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or remove fingerprint lock IDs on your phone. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, scroll down until you see security and privacy, just tap on there. Then scroll down again and you should see biometrics. So you just want to tap on that. Once you're on here, you should see fingerprints near the top. So you just want to click on there. Then you may need to enter in a PIN or a password. Then select continue. Then this will just bring up the list of all the fingerprint IDs you currently have. And you can also add an extra one if you wish to do so. All you need to do is click on this little green plus button. And then just select register. Then obviously just use whichever finger or thumb you want to use. So you can also come back out of there and just select one of these fingerprints near the top if you want to delete them. You can obviously rename it if you wish to do so, but all you have to do is select remove in the top right, and then it'll give you the other option of clicking the red remove, and that will remove that fingerprint ID. You can also check added fingerprints, so all you need to do is click on that. Then you can use a finger or thumb and see if it's there. And that'll let you know which finger number or whatever name you have for each one has been registered. So that's how you can add or remove fingerprint IDs on your phone. Thanks for watching.